Sometimes you're like in traffic and there is an accident up ahead and it's just going slow because everybody has stopped to take a look at the accident. So then you say to yourself, when I get up there, I'm just gonna drive by. But really, you wanna look at the car accident too. Today, we're going to a demolition derby, which is all car accidents all the time.
It's also called rubbernecking. So it's like an event of all rubbernecking.
Okay, all rubbernecking all the time. First, we gotta fuel up with the master source of fuel. Thank you. There you go. If you want to experience one of the best derbies in the entire world, you've got to go to Nephi, Utah, where their derby has been rated #1 in the world multiple times. Are you saying hi, Link? Say hi, Link.
Hi.
So, I've never taken my family to the Nephi derby before, but tonight is the night. Everyone's rolling in right now. I can feel the excitement in the air. How you feeling?
I feel like I'm missing a cowgirl hat.
All right, so the official ruling on masks, because it is still COVID time, they're asking you to, but it's not government mandate. And they just came on and made an announcement. They said, if you wear a mask, great. If the people around you don't, then that's fine. And no getting in fights about it.
For our national anthem.
There you go. National anthem time.
And the home of the brave.
To every person who chose a winner. So Manon chose a winner, she chose 14. Who else chose a winner? Carter, you chose a winner? Good job. All right, that's $2 we're giving out right now. That's the winner dollar right there, winner dollar. There you go. Congratulations, big winner. Winner dollar number 2, right here.
You have won.
We've already got 5 promo balls. 5 promo balls! Take a pause anytime there's a fire, which is a good idea. So there's some firemen out there now.
The angle was too low. It must have been right there in the trunk.
But this guy's got fire coming out of the front of his, too.
He took off his steering wheel.
Officials, are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Green light!
Leiden was a winner. Here you go. And Carter won a 2nd time in a row. There's a ton of things to love about the Derby, but definitely close to the top is the food. I mean, we've got fried everything, right? Funnel cakes, snow cones, tacos, nachos, everything you can imagine. All super healthy and all super delicious. So let's kind of see what they've got over here. One of the classics is the original Texas Twister lemonade. It actually comes in a cowboy boot souvenir cup. It's pretty sweet.
Okay, I found what I want at the Derby. They have chocolate dipped cheesecake on a stick.
What are you guys getting?
Cookie dough.
Cookie dough and a drink. And a drink. Cookie dough and a drink. Cookie dough and a drink.
Okay, cowgirls line for the bathroom. all the way out the door. Cowboys, walk right in.
I mean, to be a boy.
Advantages of boys. I already went. So between each heat, they reset the arena, they clear out any metal so that nothing gets shot out into the crowd. They get it all prepped for the next one. They have different car types. So we've been watching old iron cars, and now they're gonna bring out stock cars. Hey, this is my new friend. Say what's up. What's up? What's up? What's up? There's some serious competition tonight. They're competing for $100,000. So they are getting aggressive.
There's been like 3 rollers.
Because this is the final round, I'm offering $5 to anyone who picks the winner. 50 for her. No, 100. $100 bill if you pick the next one.
Are you serious?
Yep. Okay, 100 for you. For you, $5. Hey, this is a friend of mine, Brian. I just met him.
Hello, SeeTaller community.
The finishing move, but number 14 hit the other one right over the berm. So our winner is going to be number 14 tonight. Let's go see if anyone chose 14.
I won!
Did you win?
I won!
You were 14?
Uh-huh.
All right! Lincoln won $5.
Oh, I won 100.
She lost. How was it?
I won!
Did you win 14? Yeah! Winner!
Winner!
Winner! You lost, but who had fun?
Winner!
Yeah! Thanks for watching with us. See you at the next derby.